In this video, we'll talk about Luna Classic, and we'll talk about whether we are actually forming some sort of rally right now with the price of Luna Classic. But altogether, we'll come back to Cilinix Crypto, and let's get right into it. So there are some clear things we can see at Luna Classic right now, which I was wrong about. I mean, I felt like this bearish momentum we had, which started the 2nd of December, so when the whole Binance burn happened. I thought this bearish momentum was pretty strong, and also in the light of the trend we were already in, it seemed like it was more likely that we would drop down. But what I missed is that there was also some bullish momentum forming up, right? So ever since Tuesday, the 22nd of November, we actually started to make higher lows, and you can see that we actually also found support there. Like 2 days ago, we found support there and we managed to hold that. So the second time we actually held that, which was yesterday, so I could have known. Maybe I should have assumed that this trend was actually stronger than this trend. And today what we got is a bullish breakout out of this downtrend. And we're getting quite a lot of bullish momentum. I mean, we already broke above, and for that I have to zoom in a little bit, so I will do that. We broke above this 17,000 level, and that's always what I name the prices as, right? So this is 17,000, 19,000, 20,000, and so on. So we broke above that. So it's actually pretty interesting what's happening right now, because I think the very least is what's going to happen is that after this break retest, 17,000 is actually quite a strong and important level. I think we're going up to 18,000. Now that really is a different resistance level, because 18,000 first of all is a stronger resistance level. It has been tested more often and we get stronger touches off of that. But it's also mixed with the 200 EMA, which was also one of our main resistance providers when we had that whole Binance burn move. But altogether the 200 EMA is also just a very strong resistance level. So I think that's going to be our big test. I think we're going to get there. First of all, but from there we will probably drop back down towards 17,000. Now, if we can then hold 17,000 and wait until that trend line, for example, comes there, and the market, I'm just saying something, it could be the market, could also be something else fundamentally bullish. If the market then also becomes more bullish, then I think we could actually have a chance to somewhere next week break above 18,000 and to start moving up to 19 and 19,500 again. I think that's possible. I mean, the market structure right now for Luna Classic is pretty clear. It's bullish. So the only thing we need to do now is hold our support levels and get some bullish breakouts. So we just had a bullish breakout above 17,000. Expecting to break above 18,000 is unrealistic, I think. But if from the resistance there we can actually stay on top of the levels we broke above, then I mean, sure we can. Sure we can. If the market also becomes a little bit more bullish, which it is right now, and there is a big chance that it will be for the next week, then we also have a chance for Luna Classic to do something like that. Now, is there a real fundamental reason for why Luna Classic is bullish? I don't think so. I mean, they reopened IBC channels like 3 days ago. I know that. I mean, we could check out the tax burn, but I don't think it's that high. No, the tax burn is just back to the average 50 million. It's probably going to be very low again today, it looks like, at least. Usually this gives some indication of what we've burned through already. And I don't think we had any big burns either. No, we did not. So no, in general, it really is just there's no particular reason I can really point to for Luna Classic. But the market structure itself is pretty clear. So that's my take on Luna Classic this morning. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.